Hi, I'm Kiara Dunstan, and I'm here with a weekly update from Comodo Threat Research Lab for the week of June 28, 2018. So here's what happened. Over the past week, Comodo analyzed more than 11.7 million new unknown files, and over 886,000 files were deemed malicious. 76,000 of those unknown files were analyzed by human experts of Comodo's Threat Research Lab. This week, let's take a look at the big picture of malware, the really big picture. One of the first things to understand about cyber threats is how truly international they are. Malware presents a new kind of challenge to your enterprise, in part because of the geography of cyberspace is so radically different than any of our traditional concepts of how the world works. This chart depicts over 37 million unique malware detections from the second quarter of 2018, found in over 230 top-level country code domains. If we plot these malware detections on a traditional map, you can see that Comodo has detected malware within every nation on Earth. Our company has a truly strategic install base and global visibility on the malware landscape. Each country is colored according to its #1 detected malware type for Q2 2018, covering not only every nation, but also 17 unique malware types. This week, let's have a closer look at some of the most dangerous types of malware. This chart shows the countries in which Comodo detected computer worms in Q2 2018. A worm is a type of malicious code that is similar to a virus. However, whereas a virus requires some level of human interaction to activate and host the malware, a worm travels the internet autonomously, exploiting vulnerabilities and network defenses as it spreads across the internet. Thus, a worm is normally self-propagating, automatically distributing itself from one computer to another through a variety of network connections. Worms are usually designed to deliver a malicious payload to vulnerable computers, after which an attacker might choose to almost do anything, from stealing data to sending spam from your computer. These charts show 4 unique kinds of computer worms that Comodo detects. 1. Network worms. 2. P2P worms. 3. Email worms. And instant message worms. As you can see, different types of malicious code are often found in different nations. This is for a variety of technological, geopolitical, linguistic, and other reasons. In Q2 2018, Comodo detected the highest number of network worms in Germany and France, as shown by their country code domains .de and .fr. Russia.ru was plagued by the majority of email worms and P2P worms. And finally, Iran.ir was the most affected nation by worms traveling via instant messaging services. These charts show a range of other very dangerous malware types. Let's start in the upper left-hand corner. A computer virus is self-replicating code that infects another computer program and can corrupt it in malicious ways to facilitate data theft, spam dissemination, data destruction, and more. Like human viruses, a computer virus attempts to spread from computer to computer by attaching itself to a host program. A virus usually cannot be transferred to another computer unless the user moves the infected file or performs some action, such as opening an attachment or clicking on a hyperlink. When the host file is executed, the virus code also runs, infecting the new host. A virus can damage hardware, software, or data. In the upper right corner, a Trojan horse borrows its name from the famous wooden horse in Greek mythology, which was used to facilitate the invasion of Troy. Trojan computer code is any functionality, usually malicious, hidden within a seemingly useful or benign computer program. It is designed to exploit or damage the system on which it is run. As with a virus, attackers often use social engineering to trick users into downloading and installing these programs. Trojan horses are commonly delivered by email with messages that misrepresent the program's true purpose. In the lower left corner are computer exploits. They consist of software, including chunks of data or a sequence of commands, that take advantage of a software bug or vulnerabilities in order to cause unintended or unanticipated, often malicious behavior to occur on computer software or hardware. Typically, this is a behavior such as gaining remote administrative control, privilege escalation, or denial of service. Finally, a backdoor is a hidden way to bypass normal user authentication, often leveraged to gain covert remote access to a computer system, crypto system, or algorithm. A backdoor can be an installed program or a modification to an existing legitimate program. Backdoors are often built into software or administrative purposes, but hackers can install secret backdoors with the aid of malicious software, such as a rootkit. In Q2 2018, the #1 country for Comodo virus detections was Ukraine, .ua. For Trojans, it was Germany, .de. For exploits, it was Japan, .jp. And for backdoors, the United Kingdom, .gb. And that's your Week at a Glance update. Comodo Threat Research Lab continuously monitors the cyberspace to fight malware around the clock. We bring you information about new threats, risks, and protection methods. And if you want to know more about current and potential cybersecurity issues, please visit www.comodo.com/lab.